How to fix Snapchat My Eyes Only not working. First thing, open the settings on your phone and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you have to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll until you find Snapchat and click on it. Click here on force stop and then go down to the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache. Go back again, click on data usage, make sure that all these options are enabled, and after that go back into the settings, go to the wireless and networks, go to the airplane mode, enable it and disable it. That's it. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.